Do you have hiccups? That's why I was just trying to get you to nurse so the hiccups would go away. Yeah? Those pesky hiccups.